we built, where we get our power from. It powers our lighthouse and all our other things.
Welcome
Hello and welcome to Hammond TV.
Two guys stuck on a deserted island.
On Hammond TV.
Where we talk about our stuff here on the island. Today we're going to be talking about our home. All right.
Hello and
Let's
welcome
show
to
them the
Hammond
water wheel.
TV, where I'm taller than Tory. This is our house.
Let me...
Okay, that's our water wheel that we built, where we get our power from. It powers our lighthouse and all our other things.
All right. Let's show you something really cool.
Where are you going?
The foundation.
Oh, these are the foundations.
And we use triangles.
This is like the basement.
I want to show them my room. This is where Richard lets me stay. It's really cozy.
This is where Tory sleeps mostly because by getting in a hammock, it takes 20 minutes to fall from all the way up there while he snoozes in the hammock. Then he wakes up and then he goes back up and gets in the other hammock. And as a result, he turns the lighthouse.
We've been here for 2 years and he's never once gotten the hammock.
It's weighted specifically for you. It's designed for your weight, not mine.
Okay, let's show him the rest of the house. Be careful of the traps.
Tory made me fit traps because he's scared of monsters.
Be careful of the traps. We don't know what's out here. We don't know what's out here.
The phrase deserted island suggests there's nobody here. But there's a
counterweight.
Yep. Tripwire. Up in a net. Despite that, we have a drawbridge here that we could wind up every night, but we can't because Tory needs to walk up it to operate the lighthouse.
Yeah.
Handrail's wobbly here, have to be careful of that.
Yep.
And up here...
Hammond TV, what?
Oh, stop doing that!
Sorry.
It's ridiculous. This is serious. This is like documentary journalism. This is our bathroom. These are our lavatories where
Richard doesn't like to go to the bathroom alone, so he put the toilets side by side. It's kind of weird.
I prefer to go alone. I don't know why we have
okay
it.
with it.
Yeah. Anyway, that's our twin lavatory situation. There's a bath in here. Because from here, you've got the water wheel over there, which is beautiful.
I'm so pretty. Look at me. I'm Richard Hammond. I'm so pretty.
Have you finished?
Okay.
Then we go through here. This is where the flag stands. Then this.
You want to see Richard Hammond's room?
It's my boudoir.
Let's go see his room. That's where the magic happens.
Clarkson, get out of my bed!
Magic happens.
He's not normally in here. I don't know why.
What was that about? What was he doing in your bed?
Should
we show him the view?
Hello! There it is. Room with the sea view. Then through here is the tower.
These are our biggest fans. They love our shows. You like Top Gear? He loves it.
And these are the stairs that go up the tower.
This is my lighthouse that can be seen for miles.
Why nobody? Because there's nobody out there. That's Fresnel glass that we made, and that's very difficult to do.
Yes, but we made it.
Yeah, we did that.
All right, well, we'll see you on the next episode of Two Guys Stuck on a Deserted Island.
Hammond TV.
Cut it before you said that.